Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you one of the most powerful AI automation workflows I have built inside n8n, a complete CRM data analyzer and verifier powered by GROQ. Imagine uploading your call center data and instantly getting an AI generated performance report with insights, rankings, and even a double check done automatically by another AI. Sounds futuristic? Let's build it step by step. You know that every business runs on data, especially call centers. But analyzing hundreds of agent metrics manually is painful. In fact, according to Salesforce, 73% of sales teams say they spend too much time preparing reports instead of selling. So, this workflow uses AI inside n8n to automate it. It reads the raw CRM data, creates a clean markdown report, and then verify its own analysis. Okay guys, let's begin. I will teach you how you can make this automation by your own self. You can connect it directly with your live CRM, or you can just follow my steps for the demo version. You can add your data manually and check it whether the AI is working fine or not. As I don't have currently access to any live demo, so I will add a demo data in order to check it. For the demo data, first of all, add a manual trigger node. After that, add a code node. In the code node, you will have to paste the JavaScript data I will provide you in your in the description. This one, copy it and paste it. After that, we will add two AI agent nodes. The first one is to generate the report, and the second one is to cross-check it. And they will be connected to GROQ LLM model, which is totally free, unlike the other LLM models. AI agent defined below. I will add the prompt, which is comprehensively checked by me and updated by myself. You can just copy paste it and it will work totally fine. This is the prompt. Copy it and paste it. Add another AI agent. You can rename it like recheck. Define below. Copy the AI prompt and paste it as well. Okay. Now we will add an LLM model, GROQ. I have already connected my credentials in it. If you don't know how to add the credentials, I will update the link inside the description so you can see it and know how you can connect GROQ inside your inside n8n. The model I am using is Llama 3.3 70B versatile. Same here. Okay, let's test it. Let's see if it's work or not. Okay, let me see the AI agent prompt. The requirements are fulfilled. Yes, the requirements are perfectly fulfilled. And what about you? No. Now it will work and generate a comprehensive report. Save it and retest it. It is working. Yes. Output. The report is generated very fine. It is a comprehensive report and can be useful in different circumstances. You don't need to add your workforce to do or make reports. The AI agent will do it automatically, and you can make it by yourself. I will give an overview how you can connect it with your website. For the connection it with your website, you have to add a webhook. A webhook in the production mode, and the path, it will remain as it is. Yes, the important step, using respond to webhook node. After you connect, you have to connect this webhook to your website, then connect that webhook node to AI agent, and in the end, create a respond to webhook node. This will automatically update your CRM with the latest report of your employees. I hope you like the video, and I hope that you understand it in a good way. If you don't understand anything or you have any ambiguity, please write in the comment section. I will guide you and teach you how you can make it better. Please like and subscribe my channel so that it gives me motivation to make such videos for you guys free of cost. Thank you so much for watching.